90% millennials are watching on an average at least 5 episodes per sitting. 5 episodes. Clearly the entertainment is big, but the problems are bigger and not so clear. Why? Why do we love them so much? Amazon Prime, Netflix, and there are so many other players. Hotstar, Root, Sony Live, ZEE5. Why do we love them so much? Because great content, great entertainment? Or is it because they are designed to be addictive? Here's a simple example of how their manipulative strategies prove to be too strong for our naive brains. You see, you must be remembering a time when you used to wait for one full week to watch the next episode of your favorite series, right? Eventually came a time when you downloaded all episodes, but still, the decision to watch the next episode was yours. Not anymore. Thanks to these video streaming services, today, all you have to do is sit back, watch and keep watching, and the next episode is automatically queued up. Where does this leave us? You see, this brain of ours, aroused from excitement, dying of curiosity as to what happens next, simply can't help it but watch. And we keep watching the next episode and the next episode and the next. We keep watching ad extremum, and before we know it, the whole series is done. From watching, we have come to binge watching. It is nothing but senseless, mindless, unrestrained watching of web shows and associated TV series. This binge watching is a silent killer. Brings in several problems like anxiety, frustration, depression, fatigue, loneliness, and of course insomnia. Recently, in a medical study done with 423 adults, over 80% confessed to being binge viewers. Over 30% reported to be struggling with sleep. And these adults are a part of our circles. These adults, addicted to this world of web series, refuse to look beyond the screen, withering away in isolation. You see, our meek surrender to entertainment and more entertainment has taken us from watching to binge watching, and now the latest thing is binge racing, in which more than 8.5 million viewers today are completing a whole new web series on the same day of its release. Incredibly disastrous, is it not? Looking back, Vidya Balan's dialogues from the movie The Dirty Picture were well ahead of their time. All that we want is entertainment, entertainment, entertainment. Why? You see, binge watching occurs when we find our own lives emptier than we want them to be. In this madness, in this perceived emptiness, we seek fulfillment in this world of emptiness that promises a lot but brings nothing but depression. So let's not blame Netflix for bringing entertainment unlimited. The problem is that we are looking in the wrong direction. We need to realize this. Before we become slaves of the system, we need to realize. Just one question. Can we draw the line? I really want to know, what do you feel? Can we let and keep this entertainment in its place, just as a buy thing? Or are we going to make it our next big drug?